Hey everybody, welcome to my random vlog. This will be a voiceover vlog, so you'll have to excuse my recovering voice. But this day we decided to go to a plant nursery to pick something out for my mom. As any of you guys know, I'm a plant lady, so going to a plant nursery was heaven galore. So I had a lot of fun exploring this place. My friend and I, we had a sleepover and we don't have a fire pit, so the best option is to use the stove to roast the marshmallows. All right, I do this every summer. I've been doing this since pretty much in college and living in California. And then that night we tried to go see the sunset. It was really pretty. And then the next day, we actually went on a beautiful hiking again around the lake. And it was like a beautiful walk. It was like an hour or two walk. And we got to see some really cool nature and just enjoying each other's presence. Few days passed. My mom and I, we decided to go to a little farm nearby. It was interesting. They sell like strawberries and other stuff. And we found a turkey. Please do not egg on these creatures. My mother tried to do that. Few weeks passed. I discovered a new hiking place. It's almost like a secret garden, but hope you enjoy the nature. And then again, like a week or two passed by, and my mom and I decided to see my brother's medical school and like what the town is like. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog and see you guys soon.